Alright guys, now we are at the CIQ, Singapore Custom. So I think most probably it's a jam already. Jam, huh?
Very jam.
Very jam. Yeah, I know. You can see. Hey, how are you? How are you? Hello, then how? Finally, we are up on the bus. Oh, took us about 1 hour plus just to clear the custom. That's only Singapore. Alright guys, now inside the bus. I think most probably about 3 to 4 of us only. I think the rest one is still stuck on the custom upstairs, still waiting for their turns. And I'm quite lucky. I tried my luck because I'm registered the e-gate. So I think e-gate very fast. Most probably you can try. Alright, so it takes about less than 5 minutes. Your clearance is very fast. Alright. Today, jalan. We had to wait very long. Especially we took about 1.5 hours. I think until now, I think most probably now already about 2:36 AM. If you're using the e-gate, you are faster. But if you're using the manually, the chances will be, I think, exceeding 3 AM today. So I'm in the aircon now. So enjoy my air conditions and the coolness inside the bus while waiting for the rest. 4:13, bus just started to move from the Malaysian immigrations. We took about 3 hours. Nasi lemak, wah, lebih 3 kilo, 2 kilo setengah. Okay, 2.5 kg. This is a durian king. Okay. Isi dia, isi dia baju. Ni abang ni, abang ni je. Oh, kuning betul, oi. Biji, oi, biji nipis. Biji nipis. We are at Merapoh, Kuala Lipis, right?
Kuala Lipis.
We are at the Kuala Lipis. Yay!
Mau email lagi sih.
You better go and take, huh? Ayo, why like that?
Ya.
Go. Kik ya. Better faster go. Go. Parang hello. Wah. Go stand. Wow, very hot. Alright, we are reaching 12:49. Not so bad. Okay, so now we are going to get our race pack as well registrations. Okay, this is all the barang-barang here. How is it your first time? Are you your first time here?
Yes.
How you feel? Excited?
Yeah,
Nervous. Registrations. 看到无量 complete. 下的先，快点。To right first. Hello.
Hai.
Wah, sudah lama sampai?
Pukul 11 tadi.
Wih, wah, sudah 1 jam lah. Semua dah counting lah, semua dah clear.
Sudah dah siap.
So, besok macam mana? Besok 50 ke 100? 100.
Wish us luck.
Wow, good luck. Tak apa, tak apa. Saya wish kau tau. Good weather.
Ya.
Nah, good weather, you can perform.
Amin.
Okay, alright.
Thank you.
Okey, berapa km ya?
25 je lah.
25. Ya lah. Tambahlah 25 tambah. 25. Okey tak ya? Saya tengok saja.
Okay,
Okey, ini unit. Okey.
Visa kat sini.
Visa retouch.
Air
Air.
1.5 kat dalam lah.
Okey.
Bladder.
Okey.
Itu je. We passed one already. So now we're going to take our race pack. Alright. Oi. Thành lah. Thành lah. Okay, done already. Very fast.
很好啊，早上没有太阳啊。
太阳
你乌呀，你可以讲好一点。
我要太阳，我不要想要。
最好是
Cloudy.
cloudy, windy and cloudy.
Yeah, windy and cloudy.
Nombor bib 2254.
Okay. Terima kasih. Alright, now we're going to take some photos. Terima kasih. Okay. So we're going to take some photos over here. There, where is the finishing line and starting point? So this year round we are slightly different. We don't need to take the 4-way drive or the lorry to the starting line. Alright, now we are at the GM Villa Resort at 3:25 PM. So now we are going to get our house key. Alright guys, now we're having our key. Okay, the house number 5. Right. This is all my colleagues, Danny, Tracy, Sophia, and me. You know Sophia. Alright, so behave Cannot wake up, I wake you up. Alright. So get ready. Will be the end. At the end. Yes. Because hello, good morning. Alright, today we're going out. Alright. Most probably going to for breakfast. Today is Saturday. And the bus will take us to the Gua Musang town. So from there we try to explore what are the interesting in the town. Alright. So you want to follow me? Let's go and check it out. we are at the Gua Musang Lama. Alright, if you see at the back, right, that will be the railway station. So we will proceed and slowly walk. Now still very early. We will see some of the graphic in front. Hey. Sekarang kita tertinggal nasi kukus ayam berempah.
Wow. 可以啊，这个加了。
Don't be jealous, okay?
好的好的。
Thank you, thank you.
哦，这个可以，这个可以。What is this called? 你在吧 ？Report.
Thank you. Now we are at the railway stations at the Gua Musang Lama, and you can see at the backdrops that will be the limestones, and I know that we are able to go up and have a look. You can see there's a hole there. There's a cave. So here can be have exits over here, but be careful and minded. And this track actually is a live track. It's not those. It's a permanent track. It's not wear off or not being using. Alright, let's go and explore. Ini, tinggal mana? Duduk sini ya? Oh, tempat dia mana? Kalau nak naik atas tu?
Nak naik tinggi.
Nak naik tinggi ah?
Masuk bawah tu.
Masuk bawah tu ah? Oh, okey. Kalau jalan kat sana tu stesen baru ah?
Stesen baru tu.
Stesen baru ah? Oh, okey. So kalau nak naik atas, masuk bawah-bawah sini lah. Oh, okey. Jauh tak? Jauh juga? Adik-adik ni tinggal kat sini lah. Oh, rumah sana aja. Oh. Aman tak? Aman tak? Aman kat sini. Alright. So I just asked this the boy here. He say this is a place actually we have to cross over and go up to the limestone. So actually both of them just stay nearby here only. So no need to go to the other side. There's another railway station. That's a new one. Okay. Come, we go here. Alright. No. You have just give $1-2 lah. Okay. Wow, very nice. Oh, boleh dengar dia orang. Very slippery ah.
Yeah.
What's rain ah?
Yesterday ah. Okay.
Oh, going up easy but going down really not.
Larry, hi. We are here
like to climb this little mountain, but I'm going down already.
Why?
It's very steep.
我冇穿條嘢會。
Yes, I
More
got
weight,
a
more glove.
You have to come with the.
Ya lah.
Why never tell early?
No, they don't know also.
Huh?
They're exploring.
Exploring. 比賽嚟。
We're up here already. It's not really a recommendation,
Up here.
Yeah, if you don't have proper shoes, so you just take a risk little bit. But I don't think so. I'm going up until this you will see here in front of me. You see what is it? Just a ladder, okay? Ladder up. That's not at the end. Still have to go up. Let me go and touch the ladder first, then I go down. All right. It's not easy. Just be careful. All right. Oi. Oh. All right. I'm going to touch the ladder. Then I'm off from here. Okay, I'm done. Yeah. No. Enough already. See, got another one. Up. 2. Huh? Go. Oh.
You can.
Oh, they encourage me.
Go.
Huh?
I will behind all sandals eh.
You wear proper shoe, can go.
Oh. Do you see on the top? Don't see on the bottom. Oh. Oh, quite challenging. Just a 2-step up by the ladder, all the way go, slowly walk. Oh. Alright, quite a nice explore. You must have a brave enough and the right shoes to explore this place. Alright. I think that's the end. There are no more. Oh, got a little bit of. Oh, alright. You are, Xiao we still have a small one. This one in between the rock, but you big size, I don't think so can go in.
Can go in with some.
You see this one? You can see the place outside there.
In Nelson can go in, so can we.
Oh, you see, very small. You sure can go one. You go out first. You test Uncle wait.
You go inside.
You uncle first.
Wow, this is nice.
Yes, very small.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah.
Wow, so you sideways
Come. Derek.
Huh? Cannot go.
Derek, look here.
What?
Like that also fine.
Sideways come in.
Good.
Wow, this one walk like a crab Really like a crab Wow. Aiyo. Wow.
No.
Wow.
Your friend call what name?
Huh?
Your friend?
This one Pauline.
Pauline. Okay. Let's stand by, take photo. Yeah, sideways. After that, okay.
Guys, this really a tough to come out here unless you are very big size. What you do you have to squeeze your stomach really well. Otherwise, you're not able to come out here, Pauline. You're successful. Done. Alright, they got 2 places for you to move over. One side on the left and one on the right. Whether you can choose, there's a ladder or the ropes. Alright, technically but you can hear our friends up there. Say, let's go explore. Wow, we are on the darkness to the brightness. Oh. Then no headlight fail. Name. Leah. Ace. Oh, Leah Ace. Alright. This no need. Nelson. Here. Pauline. One more. Name.
Very good.
No name. Let's go. Wow, really tough Alright, so we'll take this. 这 sign in. Oh, this one guide This is the guide. First aid.
It's a face and mouth.
Alright guys, now we are going in, but without the headlights and the proper gear. So my advice, please be cautious, aware the surrounding, and respect. Let's go and explore. Okay, now we are inside the cave. There's a Gua Musang cave. And it's not quite tough to go up because they have a ladder in between. They have ropes. But if you want to come over here, so just be prepared. Prepare all those, especially you want to explore. There's a very dark area. Especially you need to have a headlights. One thing, headlights. Mandatory item, right? Second thing, these shoes. Shoes. This one is not proper shoes. Okay, so no. And the slippers, please. And be careful. If you have a glove, bring along. So you're quite safe here if you want to go in. Alright. So now we are still resting here to wait for the rest. And we group and we are going down. The limestone inside the cave. Lao lưỡi xa quỳ cao lắm xin cao á.
Very noisy.
It's okay, it's okay.
Dulu nanti you makan ni dia main rasa tadi.
So lain. Okey, kita buka Musang King dulu. Di sini panggil kunyit
Sini panggil kunyit, rauk panggil musang king.
Oh, rauk panggil Musang King.
Sini panggil kunyit.
Panggil kunyit. Wah, saudara.
Rauk pun ambil sini punya benih juga.
Oh, dia ambil benih dari sini lah. Memang sini asal dia lah.
Sebab tu dia pupuk nama musang.
Oh, okey.
Ini musang king
Wah. Musang King. Wah.
Sini boleh.
Buka boleh.
Angkat dulu.
Tengok ni.
让它转回来先。没有把这个转回来。这样。
Okey, 来。
来来，看看看看。